PoorGuy review crew -1 today. Check it out. How do you say it? Javy. Javy Coffee. This is an interesting product here. It's called a microdose. It's concentrated coffee. Check out javy.com. They sent this to us.
Javy Coffee is sustainably sourced, ethically sourced, dairy-free, sugar-free, plant-powered, and non-GMO.
Why? Because we're cool.
That's right.
Are we not?
Yeah,
We are very cool.
Yeah.
And so is Javy.
Javy's, yeah. So there is a lot you can do with these concentrated coffees, and this isn't anything new. As a matter of fact, Dawn and I were in Walmart today, and they had a little display of a competitor product. Haven't seen it before. Didn't know about this until they got a hold of us. So let me show you how easy it is. Basically, you can do 1 teaspoon. This is going to be a hot coffee, and you can make plenty of different flavored coffees. We're going to do 1 teaspoon. That's what it calls for. But Dawn and I actually like it a little bit more stronger. We have tasted this, and it is very good coffee. I am very surprised because it's, well, I don't know, considered instant. We're just going to give it a little mix. There's your coffee. There's 30 doses in there. So 30 doses, I believe, is based off of 1 teaspoon per cup. And I'm going to add, this is how Rob, PoorGuy, does his coffee, his morning coffee. And it's in the afternoon, so I'll probably be wired up for the rest of the day. I might not even need a Sunday nap. And just some great value, half and half. Now, Dawn prepares hers very similar to this, although she uses a vanilla creamer. Vanilla creamer. Smells good. This is how I do it. I drive some people crazy. All right, you're watching my morning coffee routine, but this one's a little bit different from the usual K-cups. I think we might be changing.
I think so.
I'm going to give it a taste. Whew, I love coffee. Mmm. Mmm. Dawn, do you like it?
Mm. It's very delicious.
It really is. It's a good. Now they have different flavors too. This is just straight up coffee, and they have cafe mocha. You gotta check out the website. And this is going to be my first video of this. There might be some follow up, and there'll be some shorts throughout. A month. I'll do some shorts on maybe different ways you can prepare hot coffee or cold coffee. There's comes a little recipe book when you do order it, and you order it online. So yeah, I mean, why use one of these? Instant coffee. Rubbish.
Boo.
Oh, don't eat that. Dogs. Yeah, so this is pretty neat. I was talking to my mother about this, and she went on the website, was actually very impressed. And I'm going to have Tori edit the video because I need a little bit more expertise. Now, I do have a discount code. Okay? I guess I'm an affiliate. Imagine that. How's that?
Yeah.
I like this little bottle. It's a glass bottle.
I love the logo.
You can recycle it. Yeah. It's a really neat website, and it's a really neat product. And it's so simple.
How would you describe the taste?
The taste is freaking... It's as good, if not better, than what we've been using. I really enjoy it. And it's simple. I mean, I basically went and warmed up a cup of water and added that, and added my ingredients. I mean, that's pretty darn simple. So anyway, there'll be a link in my description. There'll be PoorGuy 20.
PoorGuy 20.
PoorGuy 20, and yeah, it'll be in there. I think PoorGuy 20. There'll be a link where you can go and order Javy, and use my it's a discount code, so you can save money on these bottles.
Yeah.
And they have
Same
different
one.
flavors.
Yeah, different flavors.
They don't just have original coffee.
Yeah, and like I said, this is our first video of this this product, and I enjoy it because I really like coffee. It's part of my life, really, my whole
Well, that's
morning
how you live.
existence. So yeah, so Javy, it's pretty neat. Check it out. If you're interested, if you like coffee, this might be a good alternative for you. You know, with the K cups, you're brewing your coffee and you're throwing out the Ks. I mean, who wants to do that? All right, we're gonna cut that out. This is what we got, and we're gonna finish this up and check out the website and give it a try. And like I said, I can save you some money if you punch in that little code. PoorGuy 20. Thank you, Javy. Thank you, Tori. Thank you, Don.
Thanks.
Thank you for sharing, Javy.
Peace.